Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. This is the second part of the proportion work, and as you know in previous video we learned about the proportion work, and in this video our concern is just to practice the same sample image as we learned in previous video, and let's see the result at the end of the video. See you at the end of this video. Hi guys, as an art student, if you are a beginner, I will advise you that you must practice the proportion work, and when your proportion work will be fine, you will be able to draw any complex images or any still life or any complex sketches. So complex sketches in term of proportion. The realism and the detail work is the next part. For the detail work, you have to practice first the proportion work, and then you should go toward the realism. So you can see this is our second part. We will continue this series, and we will until we get our required result. I still feel that I'm not going to get the required result of our proportion work. So we will continue this series. Stay tuned with me, and I will practice the same sample image, and in next video we will see the required result, and we will compare our first day results and the last day results. So I am also a beginner. If you are a beginner, never lose hope. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you.